because the value exchange is so great in our favour, you're buying products, real tangible products. $1,000 a week extra in your pocket, $2,000 a week extra in your pocket, $10,000 a week. You only need a small part of the market to achieve those sorts of figures.
The majority don't understand that this happens and this is possible.
Something like this, it shows us things that we could never even imagine.
The amount of information that you learn is just, you can't put a price on it. It's just fantastic.
What have you got to lose? I mean, it's just information you're gaining and inspiration, and obviously there's so many like-minded people here. We're all sharing information, and there's a real buzz about the what's to come, basically.
Life's too short to do something you hate.